Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to another topic called numerical processes. So for today, we are going to learn how to round up numbers to maybe a number of decimal places, maybe 2, 3, 4, depending on the question, and how to write numbers in significant figures. Okay, now not only that, we are going to estimate or work out an approximate value when you are given a particular question and you don't have your calculator with you. How do you do it? Or you may be asked to find the approximate value of a particular question. Okay, like the following questions that we have here. Okay, we have 4 questions. The first one says, round up this number to 2 decimal places. That is the first one. To 2 decimal places. That is 0.2347. Now, to 2 decimal places means 2 digits, 2 numbers after your decimal point. All right, so now you have the first one, 0 point. The first one is 2. Now, the second number is 3. And then the third number after decimal point is 4. Now, to know whether you are going to round up or round down, as the case may be, is you look at the number next to the position of reference. So that number is a number you can approximate. So you approximate it and add to the number before it. But if it is not a number you can approximate, okay, you just round it down. And then that is, you ignore or discard it, throw it away, and then write the number. But there's no room for double approximation. You cannot move to the next number, then approximate it, add, and then approximate again. That is wrong. So what you just do is, now here we already know the first number after decimal point. The second number is 3. Then the third number is 4. 4 is a number you cannot approximate. So what you just do is, from 4 like that, you throw them away, and then the answer will be 3. So it means 0.23, 2 decimal places, 2 digits after decimal point. Now the second question says 3 significant figures. 3 significant figures. So it means 0.2347 equals to. Now, a significant figure is a number that you can reckon with. Okay? So in this case, 0 is not a significant figure. So now, the first significant figure here is 2. The second one is 3. The third one is 4. The fourth one is 7. So it means if you are going to 3, that means you have 0 point. Now let's write the first 2, 3. Now the third one means you need to look at the number after the third one. Is it a number you can approximate? If it's a number you can approximate, you approximate it and add it to it. So in this case now, 7 is a number you can approximate. Approximation means turning it to 1 and add it to the preceding number. So it means this will change to 1, add it to 4, it turns to 5. So this is the answer in 3 significant figures. Okay, so that answers the question 1. Then question 2. What is question 2? Round up these to the nearest 10. The nearest 10. That's 1, 5, 7, 7 to the nearest 10. So if you place this thing, unit, tens, 100, then your 1,000. So you can see now that your 10 is here. Okay? So what you just do is, the number you have after that, so that means you first write 1, 5, then you wait. Now this is the number, this is your position. Now the number after it is a number you can approximate in this case. So it means you need to approximate this one. Okay, change it to 1 and add it to this, so it turns to 158. But this 0 here, you are not going to throw it away, you still need to put it there. So that is the answer in the nearest 10. So to the nearest 10, that answers your question. Now the third question says, estimate or work out the approximate value of that particular question. That is 41 times 197 over 77. Now, you don't have your calculator. How do you approximate this? An approximate value. That means you are not getting the exact figure. You are only getting a figure that is probably closer or a little bit more than the actual number. So what to do is, now, change this one to the nearest 10. That will be equal to 40, that is you estimate, because this is a number you cannot approximate, you turn it to 0, then you reckon with this, then times this one 2, you change this one to 1, add it to 9, automatically it changes the whole thing to 200, okay, then over this one 7, then if you change 7 to 1, add it to this, it turns to 80, you can see, so this here 1, this here 2 here 1, 2 here 100, so the approximate value now is equal to 1. So if you use your calculator, it's possible you get something okay, greater than this or less than that. So, okay, but what we are getting here is just an approximate value, and that is 100. Okay, that is the approximate value. All right, so the same approach, that's exactly what we use for the last question, question 4. Question 4. Question 4. Okay, so you want to buy a carpet for 2 rooms. Now, the first one is 3.5, the first room, that is the first room, is 3.2 meter, and then the second one is this. The second is smaller, that's 1 point this and this. So how much carpet do you need to buy to be sure of having enough for both rooms? So what you just do is, you do estimation, that's the same thing, an approximate value. So now you round up the following to the nearest whole number. For that one, okay, for that one, for this one, it turns to 3. It turns to 3. So 3.2 meters will be equal to 3 meters because you cannot approximate 2. Okay, then 2.7 meters. That one changes to 3 meters as well. Okay, and then for the second one, this one changes to 1. 1.16 meters equals to 1. That's equal to 1 meter. And then the other one is 2.5 meters. Of course, that changes to 3 meters. Okay? So the next one is up down. This one, you now carry out what is called length times breadth. That is the area of the first room and the area of the second room, then you add the 2 together. So this is your first room. First room. Then this one and this one for your second room. So the area of the first room will now be equal to 3 times 3 times 3, that will be equal to 9 meters square. Then the area of the second room, the smaller room, area of the smaller room will be equal to 1 times 3. That will be equal to 3 meters square. Okay? So what is the total area? Total area now, total area will be equal to 9 plus 3 all meters square. That will be equal to 12 meters square. So you can see that if you buy that carpet of that area, then to be enough to cover the two rooms. So the actual thing may be something around 11.4 meters square. So you can see now this just, you now have excess. Instead of you getting something that will not be enough, you now have excess. So that answers the whole question. So we employ you to do your class tasks and make sure you turn them in as at when due. Have a nice day.